Derma rolling. Sounds like something out of a sci-fi movie, right? But in reality, it's this super accessible tool that can transform your skin with just a bit of patience. If you're wondering whether it's worth it, trust me, it is. So what does it actually do? The derma roller creates microscopic punctures on your skin's surface, which sounds terrifying, but here's the magic. These controlled injuries trigger your skin's natural healing process, producing collagen and elastin. Think of it as giving your skin a wake-up call. And let's talk numbers because results matter. Studies show that regular use can increase collagen production by up to 400%. 400%. That's what keeps your skin firm, bouncy, and looking basically ageless. Hard to argue with that. If you've got acne scars, derma rolling might just be your new best friend. Rolling softens those scars over time, making them less noticeable. No invasive treatments, no costly procedures, just a small roller and a few minutes of your time. Fine lines and wrinkles? The bane of everyone over 30. A derma roller works on those too. It helps smooth them out, especially around delicate areas like the eyes and mouth. It's like pressing the pause button on aging. The best part? It levels up your skincare routine. Whatever you're using, serums, vitamin C, hyaluronic acid, gets absorbed up to 200 times more effectively after using a derma roller. It's like supercharging your products without spending extra on new ones. But let's be real, it's not a magic wand. There's a small learning curve. The key is proper technique, and more importantly, consistency. You can't just roll once and expect miracles. Skin needs time to heal and regenerate. Pro tip: always sanitize your roller before and after use. Not doing this is asking for irritation, or worse, an infection. Stainless steel over plastic too. It's way easier to clean and lasts longer. Pain point? Yeah, it stings a little. But unless you're going for needles over 0.5 millimeter, it's totally manageable. A numbing cream can make it feel like you're sneaking in a spa treatment at home. Worth it for smooth skin. Another thing to note is downtime. You might look a little pink or even blotchy afterward, like a light sunburn. Plan around it, especially if you've got somewhere to be. Timing is everything in derma rolling. If you're hesitant to try it, start small. Pick a roller with 0.25 millimeter needles. It's beginner-friendly, great for product absorption, and won't push you out of your comfort zone. Once you see results, stepping up becomes an easy decision. Honestly, for under $30, it's one of the most budget-friendly tools out there, way cheaper than facials or laser treatments. And if you're consistent, it delivers results you can see and feel. Don't sleep on this one.